Hello. So I'm gonna continue what I was doing before. Let me see very quickly if I can show the chat messages. Just to see. Yes, how to show. Uh, you should send browser to you. Go to YouTube channel. Said go live via the camera. Here it's telling under sources. Browser source. Browser source. Add. Okay. Okay. Oh, this is to add it to the stream. Okay, let's try it. Go live with the camera icon. Select pop-up chat in the menu, right? This thing, current live. Pop out chat in the three dots menu in the top right. It's not. It's not. Pop out chat. Hold on. Copy this URL. Put it in sources and then okay. Oh yes, okay. But this fills too much of the screen. Yeah, this is not good. Let's keep it around. Whoa. Why can't I order this? Let's see. I'm gonna hide it. Close this. This is not. This is not what I was looking. By the way, I'm gonna be working for some minutes, like 1 hour maybe. Then I'm gonna go to the gym. So go later. How do I see my chat while streaming on YouTube? We have this YouTube live control stream marker. Let's stream. Okay, go through these things. Scene last doc source sats build. Wait. Chat. Oh, chat here. Yes. There it is. Now I can see the chat if someone texts me. Okay. I'll try to keep people somewhere on the screen. Okay, so we are looking at this, and I was implementing the form. I was implementing a form text area, and I decided to use what chats and suggests. So many things. Those. I'm gonna try to have just this is a mess all over the place. I'm gonna try to have just one window. Okay, now everything is in. So it's asking me to put the schema docs. What is the OpenAI docs? OpenAI docs. Well, if I actually go to the playground, select, well, this turbo, for example, maximum token is 4. This one token is about 4 characters, so this is 16,000. Go here, we have so this is 32,000 characters, right? Or am I confused? Maximum number of tokens to generate shared between the prompt. So I should actually use this Turbo 16, I guess. This should be enough tokens. I thought it was more. Didn't they announce like it can take as an input as a prompt like 100,000 words or something like that? Or like one book, or like a huge context window. Okay. Well, let's keep it to 50,000, which is a lot. And this is characters. So we're talking about roughly 12,000 tokens. Let's keep it like this. For our use case, that should be enough. I can also remove this maximum. I can just remove. Minimum 20. Okay, so it's then asking me to import these two things. And inside the form, this. Then we have this function on submit. And in the form component, this. And inside the form component, I need a form apparently with an unsubmit form unsubmit. I'm just copying the stuff. Okay, so we have this, which is basically the same thing. Then we have this form field. Let's say we have we have this inside the form. I'm just gonna copy this and then I will rearrange things. Let's remove this text area. To import this stuff from you form all description text area. Yeah, so let's remove this one. Let's do by text area. This doesn't, yes, it's like this. We have a name which is docs here, right? This should work. Ah, we missed the button. Add button. The UI. How this works. And then I this is the documentation for the source the cast here source documentation for placeholder. Now if I open the console, lorem ipsum and submit, dollar sit, see this docs to let's doc text submit this. This is a decent input. Okay, next thing I need to do is okay, yes, I'm gonna parse. I'm gonna create the the backend for this. Okay, we have an action. We need the const submit docs. Submit docs use type of AI. Yes. Okay. And we do does it incorporate the prevent default? Currently it's an async function. Const result response wait submit value docs. These docs have established that is a string. Oh, with the docs, yes. And then okay, what's this? What happened? Meet docs is not. Then we have this TypeScript magic docs prompt string. Okay, now let's take a look at the morphic code base, which is basically app morphic. action, and then it's initializing the definitely needs to do it. Definitely need to do this for sure. Okay. This thing is a mutable AI state. Okay. This thing. Pattern already exists. When did I create this? I don't need to write it. Okay, so what we need is we take this thingy, we do const UI equal render. Take a look at how this thing is done here. We set up this initial state. Oops. We get this messages thingy. We extract the user input, and then we run an agent. So this agent is gonna be agents x.ts sex text, and then it's gonna be docs outliner. Import everything from docker. Yes. Import. Oh wait, what's happening here? Import dollar from export 42. Import const meaning of life 42 from what is happening? How do I do it? Export. Oh wait, export. What does it say, man? Just remove this thing. Export. Export. Okay, export async function docs outliner. Okay. To do. And this is gonna take something. This maybe I should use the render. I'm not sure. Maybe I should try the render. Well, I can do the render, but I can also do follow this morph. Go here, have this query suggester, takes UI and message creates streamable value, and then something by stream. All this function returns return an object for accessing partial object stream. Okay, yeah. Returns an stream object. Returns an async key. As you can see here. Explained this before. Wait for upflow. This works for async. So this thing that's iterated over must be an async iterable, or have async iterable as a prototype chain. And these are chunks. Each chunk is awaited, so each step of the loop waits this chunk, proceeding to the next. We have this object stream, and we are updating. Actually, we close it. Object stream is passed on you. So the more it looks a bit convoluted, but the more you look at it, the more it makes sense and it's easier to understand. This is pretty easy to follow up. So let's implement this thing. I'm gonna need this thing, and see soon why I'm gonna need partial outline. Then we have a schema thingy. This thing comes from a schema file. Schema. It's a schema. For example, if you go to the similar example related, let's copy this. Needs a real outline. Basically, schema outline.ts. TS, I think. TX should be okay. Outline schema. Partial outline. Then none of this thing is an array. Yes, is an array. Let's see. Let's look at the Zot documentation. Strings, arrays. Okay. String optional array. So array of strings, this string array is the same. So I prefer this thing. Element to access the schema. String array element. Schema, okay. You want to ensure an array contains at least one element, use no empty. String array no empty. Okay. So this should be, you don't specify a custom message among then 5 or more items, 5 or fewer items, 5 items. Okay, this is the kind of thing I need. So I need here z z object. Let's write down first how this thing should. This, okay. This should look like title, outline, title. Then items array. Each item of the array has a label. Outline item 1. Title. Sub items. And it's like sub 1, item 3. Yeah, that's a structure. Title, yeah, let's do this. Object, title string, sub item, array is string, length. Let's set length in, yes, it's min 2, maximum 5. I would, yeah, something like that. Wait. Wait. This is an object, an array. No. Wait. Title is the title outline. Outline title. Okay. Outline title. Items we have title. Items is an array. Wait a second. Object. Title. Items. The array is correct. The object. D dot object. Title. Sub items. This sub items thing is this. Then we have this array which is on empty, and say minimum 3, so that let's not say minimum. It should be not empty. Okay. Simply be. Okay, so this partial outline got from schema out. And we have this object stream. Okay, then have like following the morphic. Insert I for this. Sure, I'm gonna need that, but it's important. Then by stream.update, I'm gonna update this thing. Something basically maps maps this thing the UI. So I basically need, my job is to render this thing. So why don't I ask chat? Basically title, let's make a component. Component outline. So let's go add pan. Really, and the outline. No, doesn't matter. Wait. Outline thing. Sports outline scale. Sports outline skeleton. Then the skeleton as wait a second. Wrong. Use client, but this skeleton actually server component rendered right here. Outline skeleton section. I like the idea. Section. Oops. Okay. we do the line skeleton. Okay, and it doesn't like this, so the reason it doesn't like I has no property section. Oh, because it doesn't have. That's actually a section. Let's copy. Let's go. Yes, there is a separator here. Let's grab the separator from Shatsian. Okay, so we have this out case. So sources, answer, dated, follow up, proceed, read, and then what are the icons? Icons, outline, list. This one, yeah, I like this one. List tree. I don't understand. What is it doing? They copy here. Okay. List tree. Okay. Outline. So import this. Okay. Let's see. Separate this class. Here is using title. Separate. Outline. Separate. This. Using this type of. I'm gonna update my operator. Match this thing. Component. Ports. Page. Let's see. Let's stamp. Yes, an orthodox but faster. Okay, so next thing, continue this guy. We have this object stream. It's because kind of format. That's an object, so that's going to be the output. So we're creating this thing. You know what? Maybe should go ahead, go to go where? Okay. Chat panel. Now let's keep it like this. It's gonna submit back to the. We have the AI state. Then we have const UI by stream. Well, 8 programmable thing by stream. See here. Then gonna basically like creates docs outliner by stream by state. I say get. Well, let's just see how. And importing these messages. It's content. It's getting the content from. Oh, it's pushing the if dogs if then we have the messages. We're gonna do mess push roll. What the fuck? And it's okay. Wait, this thing run something doesn't need. That's in some case. Read that. In this thing, this returns partial promise of a partial, because that's the object. It's in the object value here. We have this final partial. Yeah, we return this thing because this part waiting is part of the flow. It's adding to the AI state. That's very suggester. Very suggester doesn't add anything. That makes sense. That makes sense. So this needs to be returning this out needs to be returning return value of this thing is promise a partial out. Basically, that's what it is. Okay, so now we do let's do red final outline weights expert streaming how no it's not this one, it's experimental stream. So let's import this from there. Function. This takes model schema mode system prompt messages. This takes a bunch of things. Just copy. Schema messages for this. OpenAI. Oh wait a second. This, string. Does it have enough? It's off screen because I show my variables. On the OpenAI is here also. Turbo. OpenAI docs. Let's see. Docs. Open models. I 3.5. Close this environment variables thing. Show this one and this one. So we need to import this. Let's see how this is. We have this thing. Oh yeah, that makes sense. Let's copy this file. Let's paste it here. Finally, then this thing here already, so I import it like this. Still, yeah, okay, that's fine. Turbo, that's fine. I'm gonna get rid of all this stuff. System. Here is where the do I need to pass in the messages? Run this via docs prompt. So here what I'm doing is, yeah, no. Okay, let's keep it like seems simple to me. And then these messages is gonna be an array, uh, role user, and here role system, role role system. Okay, then content. But that's something I didn't have in the ChatGPT. I want to create simple exercises. Here the doc prompt. Okay. Is a certain aspect of React. The relevant station from on the topic. Here they are. Then we have docs prompt. Okay. At the end of the chat. Where is it, man? Here. Docs. Okay, more. Okay. Up. Byte. Up. Response should this form. Do I need to wrap? Yes, I need. And it would be nice to see. Let's keep it. All system prompt. Actually, do I actually need this? I go here. System. Oh, it's a see. It's here, man. System. Wait. Oh, this whole thing isn't here. This is where is system prompt. It work like that? It's happening. Sync. Async for await const object dot partial object string objects date object what is off. That's then then wait a second. Final ink. That's the final thing. Yes, sure. Then we run final outline. What? Red fine. Okay. Okay. Final outline equal object partial. Sure. Okay. So this thing should work, I think. Rid of this thing, and of course we need to go here and fix docs prompt. Okay. And this is going to turn const outline equal this partial outline and to, thing. Outline line outline equals object value. Okay. Port outline line, and then of course this component is not properly component outline text props is partial and this is correct. Outline this outline. Okay, now we do this, and then like, yes, can you just give me the thing? Can you just do it for me, Copilot? I'm paying money for you. Outline. Why is it so bad? What? Same. Items, wait, object. There's some missing shit. Outline. Items. It can be undefined. Get it, man. Outline. Items. Partial. String. making it partial. Should it be partial? Fuck man, isn't this an array? It's an array. Type is this thing? Items. It's not an array. It's something. Um, Title and items is an object. Why should items be an object? This is all up. This is messed up. This was messed up. This is needs to be wrapped z dot array. Then this array object title required. I can't. Describe mean how does this zot work? Required object email partial contrary to the part grammars makes a properties required. Okay, it's for objects. User required that's how it works. Required this is the object, right? Required, or to specify the property required, like this. Title true. What is happening here, man? Oh, it needs to be here. This is required. Title is required. Save this thing. Is to come. Sure. Hi. What is happening? And yeah, this is where TypeScript function that coerces item to the is defined What is happening? Why doesn't this const is defined? Hmm. Arrow function generic. Damn! So bad. Extend. Exactly. Defined. I knew something. B. Then return thing is doesn't equal it. Item as oh wait, do I need no I don't. This thing still as as how do I do this? Partial. How did it work? I don't. Oh yeah, this is overcomplicated. This sucks, man. For const item schema outline item schema thing. It's this thing. Yeah, it's this thing. Up to up to up to like this. This. So can I do this thing? Yes, I can. Port type outline. Okay. So can I do this thing? Everything is fucked. What happened here? something bad here. Z infer, wait. Okay, so this line item. This thing, wait, it's from TypeScript. This is as partial outline. Like TypeScript thing. Okay, let's judge. Or I just fix it here. Or I can just not worry about it. It will complain when I try to build. Stupid. What are these sub items? Items array. Okay. Each of these thingies has a sub item. So what is this thing, man? Items partial of item. Yeah, item. Filter. Map. Item. This is super broken. What is this thing, man? Like it's not so outline. Let's see what outline items. Partial object. It's an array. Okay, outline items is an array. Partial objects which can be undefined. Partial objects can be undefined because that means the array can be empty. It's non-empty. Let's remove this thing. Maybe it's creating some items, array, title, items. This items is an array of thingies. Wait. Object, title, items. Items is an array of objects. This object has title, sub items. Wait, what the? I'm just gonna create item nesting. Nesting things. Yeah, okay, I get it. That's what the problem was. This is that's where I was messing up. This is an object. Wait, this is starting here, okay? Outline title. We have these items. These items are supposed to be an array of objects, okay? These objects has title, items, and these items are no longer. These items are an array of strings. This is called items. We have the outline title, items. Each item has a title and sub items. Okay. Okay. So now go back here. We have this thing with these items. have an array with title and subitems. These subitems are an nested no nested array, non-nested array. The hell, man. An array let's pick this thing. Okay. Object, what is happening? Have this. These items are an array of strings, minimum, maximum. Okay. So this item, title and subitems, which are an array. It says here it's an array. Oh yeah, that's correct. That's correct. And then items, subitems is possibly like this. Of confusion. Okay. Is I submit this thing, calling this outline, call this, this, and it's going to turn on partial outline. I'm gonna need to state update AI get all assistant content outline is for the then basically sure why it has a fine basically the same as a try catch. Doing try, then for the catch is not this thing. Which means it can potentially fail. So finally call the error. Okay. What else missing here? Take this. Okay, I'm closing this. The thing I'm missing here is that I need to close this action stuff. It's returning. I need to close all the streamable. Up to AI state done. Stream answer. Stream done. Why? I think everything is wired up. Okay, keep a look at the functions cannot be passed directly to client components. If explicitly exposed by marking server, which I keep an eye on the logs, and I'm going to see is the effect. Yeah, and well, after this, whatever is happening, as this thing here, click. Print something here, then here I'm posting this bunch of text. What is happening? What is this thing? Why did this thing prompt? Valid prompt error. Invalid prompt or message must be. It's okay. So minor mess. User prompt. As is a prompt. Role user prop system. You are technical documentation. The follow. It's maybe a bit redundant, but let's go with this. Okay. Copy this. Submit. Don't see any. Don't see any. I expect to see something is happening. Printed this thing. Provided this thing. Oh wait, I didn't wire this. Wait. No. Go to the chat panel. Submit docs. Values doc. I'm not rendering the UI. That's what is happening. Const messages set will use UI state. Anything there? Yeah, okay. So actually want to do add panel, add up component chat messages. Okay, let's actually copy this thing, save here, add message, ports, port from action. I don't know. This has no this had what? No, 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 no. Like this. Okay. So gently. Okay, look, I have an idea. I have an idea. Let's do something stupid. Let's take a screenshot. Just screen, yeah. Up. Let's go to ChatGPT, okay? And let's, based on this screenshot, tell me what I am doing and suggest improvements. Suggest productivity improvements. Let's see what it says. I have an idea of an application. It basically sends snapshots of your computer screen, let's say every 5 seconds, something like that. That's uh that's information about the environment. Then it submits it to an AI, and it kind of makes a story of your work style, how productive you are, and it suggests how you can do better, like in a pop-up notifications or something like you are doing something. Uh, uh, you are working on doing whatever on your computer. It can be whatever. It can be playing a video game. It can be anything. And then this is submitted to an AI every 5 seconds or so, maybe 10 seconds. The AI, based on what shows up in your screen, can see what you are doing and how you are doing it. And it sends pop-up notifications to you telling you, hey, you can do this better. I suggest you use this tool, or mid millennia, you better use uh, blasphemous blade, something like that. be, everybody would be. I'm gonna write it in my ideas bucket, because if something like this existed and worked well, everybody, like everybody working, everyone in the workplace, every white collar worker, everybody would use it. And not using that would be insane. That or something like that, but basically like having ChatGPT steroids. Because I think for me the bottleneck of ChatGPT is that you need to actively ask it things to improve your life and your work and all that. You have to think, oh, I'm gonna ask this ChatGPT how to make this thing better. But first you have to first think about the thing that you want to ask. If you send screenshots to ChatGPT, it's gonna just look at whatever you're doing and suggest, hey, do this better, do that better, without you even thinking about what you're gonna give you expected feedback that you wouldn't think on your own. Imagine ChatGPT. Imagine an AI model is looking at everything that suggest improve, and we'll reach there. Once we reach there, everybody's life would be a lot better. A lot better. Okay, it's gonna be better. Why? Because it's not like you're forced to do what it says. If you say something you disagree, you don't have to do that. But it's gonna give you like AI's ChatGPT is supposed to have a equivalent of an IQ of 150. It's crazy. It's different, but it's not one-to-one human machine. It's different. For example, ChatGPT can quote unquote read uh, millions of times faster than than the smartest human can. But it's different. It's not one-to-one comparison. Machines are our friends, honestly. Opinion. So I'm gonna write a note about this. I have a list of ideas. I never look at them, unfortunately, but I should start looking at them. So the idea is send screenshots to AI every 5 seconds. Then AI responds with suggestions how to do better. Ever, like the clip helper in Windows, but a clip helper that actually is smart and works, something like that. What it tells me here: utilize snippets for repetitive code panels like components, skeletons, create snippets code. Consider ESLint and Prairie integration. Yes. Keyboard shortcuts, command palette. Yes. Extensions. Then Git integrations. Console. 1 million installs. Okay. Okay. I think I've used this thing in the past. I disabled. Why do I have so many? Takurun. Why are there so many? Okay, that's it. Then it's telling me press this combination. Probably have to select. Yeah, it is pretty good. Pretty good. What else? My test. If you're writing test, watch mode. Use React. Oh, plop. Plop. State management. Application growth, state management. Complex. So path analysis and TypeScript. Let's ask ChatGPT how this. Hot reloading, efficient debugging. but it's done. Go here. That's yes. Yes, okay. So it didn't really tell me anything cool, but it's this is all good advice. Actually. It's just that I'm applying most of the things. This is all really good advice. Uh, it's telling me basically I already have that. I already have that done. Let's move forward. Okay, so actually, yeah, I want to just render this thing, which is identical to the other project. So I'm gonna just grab this thing. Or this from action. Then I'm gonna render it on the page. Chat panel, chat messages. Okay. Right now, go take a look. Still don't see as I can submit. If I submit it, um, I would expect to see something. Okay, let's stream up. I don't have a spinner in this project, so let's. Oh wait, there is a spinner. That doesn't exist. So this is wrong. Come on, man. There is no spinner. It's a disappointment. Let's copy this thing. Where did I take this from? Um, okay. Next AI. Amen. Let's copy this file. Let's put it in components. I think. Avoid confusion. This comes from. Also, I good. What? Okay. Let's copy this thing. But I don't get it, man. Learn these things from the Shatsian. Icon. What? Spinner icon. Okay, this works. Yeah. Okay. So so now I can import this spinner. If I click this thing, I should see a spinner at least. Because this should be. What the hell is happening? If I click here, I have this thing. If I go to the, let's reduce this thing a bit. I go to the we have this app, page, chat panel. Chat panel is a client component which takes this form, prints this console, runs this thing from the actions, passes the submitting. We have this Now come on, go to the action. Okay, it's gonna print something. Console log. Let's do this. Yeah, it doesn't like this. Now the use spec docs react. Get all the docs. That's my testing day. Paste them here. Then I click here and I see that. So I have all these docs. See them printed here. This this console log works. No, I should the spinner. UI stream. Stream done. The component UI stream component. Go to the chat messages. It should. It's here, man. It's rendering this. I should at least see the spinner. Because here I'm having this stream up spinner. Okay, let's comment this thing. Submit. Either the spinner is invisible or I don't see it. This. Could be that the spinner is freaking. Date. Oh, world. Possible world. It's out here. Doing that. It's submit docs. Yeah, I know what is happening because his response. Yes, I need to actually need the cons messages set messages equal state. I actually need this thing. I'm getting to update the UI state here. Set messages response Okay, man. Okay. Go to the action. Got all this stuff. So let's do this. Okay. Let's remove all this stuff. Send this. What is happening? It's happening. It's happening. Here. Uh, outline. Hmm. Forgot to call done. Up. There's this I need to leave to right now. Otherwise, it's gonna get full. So let's debug this thing later. Exactly understand what. Strange. I'm honestly intrigued by this. This thing is setting the what is it? Showing the outline. Outline is the section. Children. Go to the action. Calling in this streamable section. close of the server. This is on me. Oh no, wait. Yes, I. Well, I'm not sure what is happening, but I know why this is empty. Because not awaiting. Go back to the project to the. Here we are waiting this. Here I decided to put this thing inside a sink, which is not, put it outside. Now it should await the response. Now it should, well, at the very least, it should print to the server, console in the server, outline. Should await. It's a very short basic. Well, it's kind of okay. It's short, but eh. So what we're gonna do is go to again to the server and they actually do JSON string file. Full. Then I'm gonna think like this. Okay, sense, sense. It's 5. It's not respecting. Like a bit. So that's kind of useless. Yeah, in the end, it's just checkbox. Could be maybe solved with a better example in the prompt, but this is okay. I don't understand is why I don't see section with line. Line. Yes, okay. Yes. uh, Everything is okay. Just not the section is go to the there is here. Message schema. This works right here. Works. So passing this thing here. We go to the okay. So let me see if we have an this is an async function which waits. Let's yes. Final blank. Try get the result. Wait. Alt. Builds the object stream. We update the file. It's something or await con. This is exactly the same. Object. Object. Close the stream. This is all awaited. It's gonna happen before we return. Go to the fire. What's this? Is used for the AA stat, and then we return. The UI stream. Maybe I need to do it before. It doesn't make sense. But we are waiting this thing yet. Waiting. 9. Print it. We'll have it here. Close this thing. State done, which appends this thing. Then we value of the UI stream. Submit. I don't understand this thing. The do I need to rebuild the project or I click here? I don't know why I don't see the same. I have no idea why I don't see this thing. Thing is not. This is not. It's just not stream. Create streamable UI. UI stream. UI stream update spinner. But I don't see the spinner. Let's see. Figure out. Create streamable UI. UI stream. Says events. Update spinner. This is called done thingy. Stuff. Oh wait. Here update. Okay. Date. Let's go to the updates. It's update, yes. Yes, if we want to append, but I don't want to append. I want to update. Maybe that the spinner is the same color as the background. Spinner current color stroke fill. It's here, man. Port. What the hell are you? There. What? It's the same folder. You have an thing. You literally have it in the same folder. Is it not in the same folder? Yes, it is. Load window. Sometimes it gets crazy. Sometimes it's crazy. Again. Why don't I see the spinner? Still spinner. Why don't you? Okay, I'll this later.